Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm just here real quick, just a little update to my IC challenge that I'm hosting here on my channel. I know in my video previously I said it was due by the beginning of June, and later on I had put in the comments in that video that I am going to extend it to the 19th. So the date that is the ICs that are due into me is June 19th, and I will do the drawing on the 23rd. So if you still want to enter, you guys are more than welcome to enter. You have time. I just thought that when I was uploading that video, I was like, that doesn't really give a lot of people a lot of time. So just so you know, you have time to enter if you are interested in entering. Okay? So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Friday and an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next week. Thanks guys. Bye.